Before installing your Stages car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the car seat on your vehicle seat before placing your child in it. The rearward-facing mode is for children from birth to 18 kilograms, which is approximately 4 years old. It is recommended to keep a child rearward-facing for as long as possible. This is why Stages has an extended rearward-facing rating up to 18 kilograms. When used rearward-facing, the shoulder harness slots must be even with or just below the child's shoulders. For rearward-facing install, make sure the car seat is in the most reclined position. Align the top reclining indicator with the bottom blue arrow. Rotate the infant body support. Pass the vehicle waist belt through the vehicle waist belt slots. Check that there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Engage the vehicle buckle. Pull and tension the waist belt. Pass the vehicle shoulder belt through the lower and upper rear-facing belt guides on the back of the seat. Pull and tension the waist belt to remove any slack. Locate the storage bag on the back of the child seat and remove the blue locking clip. Attach the blue clip to the diagonal belt only. Then, while pressing down on the seat, pull the belt to tighten the child seat securely. Hold the belt tight, then slide the locking clip down as close to the buckle as possible. Pull and tension the waist belt to remove any slack. Double check that there is significant tension in the waist belt and that the car seat does not move on the vehicle seat. Restore the infant body support for children under 9 kilograms. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harnesses over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Lower the headrest until the bottom is even with or just above the child's shoulders. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment strap to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Group 1 is forward-facing for children between 9 and 18 kilograms, which is approximately 1 to 4 years old. When used in the forward-facing Group 1 mode, the shoulder harness slots must be even with or just above the child's shoulders. Ensure the infant body support is removed, as this is only used when rearward-facing up to 9 kilograms. There are 3 recline positions for Group 1. Align the top triangle with one of the 3 red triangles. Before installing the seat, adjust the car seat to the desired recline position. To install using the vehicle seat belt, pull out the vehicle seat belt and thread the belt through the 2 forward-facing vehicle belt slots at the back of the car seat, ensuring there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Engage the vehicle buckle. Open the red locking clip and insert the vehicle shoulder belt through it. While pressing the child seat down, pull and tension the vehicle shoulder belt to fasten the seat securely. Double check that there is significant tension in the waist belt and that the car seat does not move on the vehicle seat. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harnesses over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Lower the headrest until the bottom is even with or just above the child's shoulders. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment strap to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Press the button on the harness adjuster and pull the shoulder harness toward you. Unbuckle the harness. Detach the snaps on the seat pad. Place the shoulder harness straps, buckle and buckle tongues in the harness hideaway storage compartments. Pull the buckle through the slot in the seat pad and then store the buckle in the harness hideaway. Reattach the snaps to recover the seat pad. Group 2 is forward-facing only and for children between 15 to 25 kilograms, which is approximately 3 to 7 years old. There are 2 recline positions for Group 2. Align the top triangle with one of the first 2 bottom red triangles. Place the child in the seat. Pull out the vehicle seat belt and pass the vehicle waist belt through the waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the shoulder belt guide. Check that there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Ensure the bottom of the headrest is even with or just above the child's shoulders. When not in use, ensure the child seat is securely restrained by the vehicle belt to protect vehicle occupants. For more details, please review your car seat instruction manual or visit www.joybaby.com.